Hello everybody, Aki here, and welcome. And this is Legend of the Ghost Lion, or the White Lion, the Legend of the White Lion. Without further ado, this is a nostalgic game for me, so I don't know what to say, but I played the Japanese version though. So for now, North American. I want to play the original but there's no English patch on it. So this is the game I'm going to play. Without further ado, let's start playing this. Of course, Maria's parents told her the legend of the White Lion. Once upon a time, a great white lion attacked our village. Many soldiers tried to subdue it, but no to avail. But one young soldier summoned all his courage and threw his spear at the lion. The white lion disappeared into a cave at the edge of the village, never to be seen again. We are about to embark on a journey to resolve this mystery, said Maria's parents. It may be a very dangerous and difficult journey. Please wait for us until we return. If you have any problems, go and see the village elders. With that, the parents left. But they were never heard from again. Maria decided to search for her parents and visited the village elders. Finally decided to start on a journey. This spear holds the spirit of the young soldier. If you call upon the spirit, he will appear and help you. First, you should search for a special lamp. It will protect you. The village elders gave Maria the spear and the wood key. There is a rumor that the white lion is at the gate of evil. Be careful, Maria. Maria left the village elders and went into the cave. Okay. You open the door with the wood key. Oh man. This has been a while I played this game. Oh man, I am so old. Never thought to play this again. Nope. Okay. Yeah, I am so old. I don't know why I played this game still. Oop. Search around your feet. Found the lamp. You found the lamp and the gold key. And the dagger. Wait. Vigor. Oh. This is a unique game. Okay. Hope is the level 1. Wait. If I'm correct. Courage is HP. Dream is MP. Okay. Got it. I never thought I would play this again. I am very young at this age when I played this game but didn't beat it. I'm more into a arcade game person like that back in the day. Like playing Ikari Warriors, then Contra, like that. Suddenly, the earth began to tremble. The bridge shook. Maria fell into the river. Okay. Oof. Swept away by the violent current, Maria lost consciousness. Are you conscious? If we had found you any later, you would have drowned. If you are going on a journey, please search for this kind of spring. Our friends will increase our courage and magnify our dreams. Thank you very much. Might you be someone from the world of humans? So be warned, this is the world of dreams. Can no longer return to the ordinary world. And now about you? Let's give courage and dreams. Courage is now 15. Dreams are now 20. Do you want to write down the events of the journey? Yes. Okay, I'll keep a record of this journey. Please write about your journey at each site. When you enter the world of darkness, your last record will help you. Also, gather up hope. Your dreams and courage will grow. Okay? Dreams may be the HP or courage, we don't know. When you lose your courage, you will become part of the darkness. If you have dreams, many spirits will help you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I called upon the spear. Okay. The hero Moja and the spear spirit appeared. Cobalt, yes. Cobalt attack. 12 points. Alright. 12 points of power are taken away from Moja. Moja attacks. 6 damage. Okay. Moja attacks. 7 damage given. Okay. Oh! Okay. Position on your feet, but there's nothing. Okay, let's pick it down now. The giant statue wards off evil, but the goblin took the stardust from the dice in the cave. Since then, the cave has been closed. Oh. Okay, 6. Oh, okay, dead. Okay. Okay. One hit. Nice one. Okay. Oh. Research around your feet. Receive the fragment of hope. Your hope now is 2. Courage is now 18. Dreams is now 22. So, this is how I increase my hope, I guess. Getting some things. Ow. Ow. Okay. Then out. Yay! Nice. 8, okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, for that. I do save state, so I can track my save. I do double save, like the hard save, then save state. Okay. Is this town? This is the town of bread. Okay, straightforward as always, huh? My grandfather told me that that tears can make your dreams great. Oh, excuse me. Okay. If the stardust in the goblin's cave is returned to its dice, I'll be able to pass through the cave. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh! Okay. There is an evil goblin in a cave near here. Okay. The goblin stole the stardust. If I don't get it, I won't see my family in Davis. Okay. This is my quest, I guess. For now. I have not eaten for anything for 3 days. Could you give me some of the bread that makes one brave? Okay. I will help you, but I hope you are not scamming me. Okay. Yes. Wait, what? Club. Okay. They're passing through the cave of the giants, the southern part of the island, and reaching the werewolves territory, dropped by Davis, which has mushrooms. Okay. Wait. Okay, no. That was stupid. If you give me a ruby, I'll let you ride on my ship. No. Not yet for now. It's on the mid or late game. Okay. Okay. It was very good. But I'm still hungry. Could you give me some? No. End of the world. No, I'm sorry. I don't have any more. Oh man. That was a beggar. Alright. But I will go to the spring. Okay. Ow! Did. Okay. Okay. You want me to return the stardust? If you really want it, steal it from my... Dear Lord, what are you? Okay. Call. Bam. 16, nice. want to do. Okay. Magic. Kablam. 32, I think. 32 damage. Okay, excuse me. There you go, dead. Ooh, ow. Ow. Okay. This guy need to die. There you go. Okay. Dead. Okay. Let's go back on it. Level up first. Wait. Stupid me. Okay, dagger. There you go. That was stupid. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the spring first. Before we go. There we go, dead. Then, there you go. Then, ow! There you go. Then, okay, another one. Ow. Ow. Okay. Then, fragment of hope. Okay. 30. Okay, this is an easy game to understand how to level up. I just need to collect some fragment. To get some fragment of hope. Okay, I got the thank you. But I need to three. based on actions. Okay. I think Blue was the spirit, something. Bam. Dead. That was OP. Only 15 ruby. Oh man, that was so... Oh man, that was so worth it. Oh, nope, stupid me. Okay. Okay. E. Okay. Screen. Bam. Dead. I hope that's a spirit when oh. Okay, that was stupid. Bam. The Stardust is depending to the dice. A closed path will open. This. Oh. Oh, I think here. Oh, that was stupid. Dead. When the Stardust was restored to the dice, the entire cave was filled with light, and the giant statue began to speak. You who lit the fire on the dice should walk down the path which has opened. I will protect the town from evil once again. Okay. There you go. Okay. Ow. Dang. Okay, this is the next quest, I think. I hope so. Okay, what do you think? Okay, so there's one. Okay, what is this now? Besides the red ring, I have also heard that there is a rapier which houses an elf spirit. Thank you for the information again, rapier. Do you have a letter to me from my mother inbred? Oh, okay. Werewolf Castle lies in ruins. A monster is living in this castle, which was once inhabited by humans. Werewolves were greedy, but so are humans. Wow, that is correct. Humans are very greedy bunch. Okay, this is the end for now. This is the introduction. Defeated the evil goblin, and for now I think I'm going to do in the next episode I'm going to do side quest from this guy. I think he's a red mage or something, but I'm going to help her grandmother. So for now, thank you for watching, everybody, and have a great day, and God bless everybody. Bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their